Hi, this is Jim Munson. We're here at Encore Packaging, and today we're going to teach you how to use manual tools for polyester strapping. So let me show you how these work. So you're going to take your tensioner, in this case an EP1150, and take your polyester strap. First thing you're going to do is squeeze down the handle on the tool and raise up the gripper foot. Slide your bottom strap underneath there. Your top strap is going to go through the cutter housing and then through the windlass here. And then you're ready to start tensioning. Once you have your tension where you want, it's time to take a look at your serrated seal here. And as you can see with the serrated seal, we've got this one big leg here and this one short leg. And we're going to put that right on our strapping. And now we're ready to grab our sealer. So then one of the first things you'll notice about the sealer, in this case the EP1250, is that we have two different colored handle grips here, and those are to indicate the two different jaws on the sealer. This is what's called an offset jaw sealer. You've got one long one here and one short one, and those are designed to correspond with those long leg and short legs of your serrated seal. So once you make sure that the blue and the orange are corresponding with the long and the short respectively, you're ready to make your seal. So once you have your seal made there, you can press down on your handle of your 1150 to engage the cutter, and then slide to the side. So that is the EP1150 and the EP1250 on how to use manual tools with serrated seals on polyester strap. Thank you.